best large sports sedans for 2024 Audi S6. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S6 emerges as a standout choice, combining exhilarating performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As part of Audi's esteemed S-Series lineup, the S6 represents the pinnacle of Audi's engineering prowess, offering a perfect balance of dynamic driving dynamics and premium amenities. Under the hood, the 2024 Audi S6 is powered by a potent twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S6 delivers electrifying acceleration and responsive power delivery. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the S6 offers dynamic handling and precise control, making it a joy to drive in any situation. The S6's dynamic capabilities are further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's adaptive air suspension and dynamic steering ensure exceptional ride comfort and precise handling, allowing the S6 to glide effortlessly over rough roads while maintaining composed agility through corners. The sedan features performance brakes and sport-tuned dampers, providing excellent stopping power and confident control under varied driving conditions. Visually, the 2024 Audi S6 exudes a sporty and sophisticated demeanor, with its sleek design elements and distinctive S-Series accents. Its exterior features a bold single-frame grille, sculpted aerodynamic lines, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance-oriented character. The S6 rides on 20-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to personalize the S6's appearance, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the S6 offers a luxurious and technologically advanced environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge amenities. The interior boasts sports seats with Valcona leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and aluminum trim accents. The S6 is equipped with Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Audi S6. The sedan comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a top-view camera system. Additionally, the S6 offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S6 offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the S6 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.